everyone, it's the monthly update time from Turbo360. So let's find out what new additions and improvements that have been added to our platform for the month of May. So let's dive right in. Firstly, we have the in-app knowledge base, we call it Wiki. You can now maintain a knowledge base repository across all 4 modules of Turbo360, be it notes related to recurring cost management meetings or the resolution steps for incidents in your Azure infra. You can now easily maintain everything using Wiki. You can create articles from all the modules. The articles are bound to the hierarchy of the respective module. You can access the Wiki article within the notes to the context menu and further navigate to the Wiki section to make any changes or manage the articles. Next in the cost analyzer, we have restricting VM families in the rightsizing recommendations, where we allow users to configure VM families that should be excluded from the rightsizing recommendations. Within the rightsizing settings of the virtual missions, there's a new option called family-based recommendations, where you can select the VM families that need to be excluded from the recommendations. The next feature involves accessing Azure Advisor's recommendations within the cost analyzer. In addition to the custom recommendations, you can now view the Azure Advisor's recommendation to take more informed decisions on cost optimization. When a new group is created in Cost Analyzer, the system automatically integrates Azure Advisor's rightsizing recommendations upon the resources within group. Recommendations are categorized based on Azure Advisor's impact levels as low, medium, and high, where each of these Azure Advisor's recommendations includes a detailed description and a proposed solution. Solutions suggest either rightsizing or purchasing a reservation to optimize costs. These advisor recommendations are also available in the reservation section of the cost analyzer, providing you with a comprehensive insight into saving costs. If you want a custom recommendation for optimization, simply enable the custom recommendation option within the recommendation setting. Next up, we have updated the cost analyzer and business applications to support a 90-day evolution period for metrics, up from the previous 30 days. Within the dashboards of business applications, you can now build widgets with data up to last 90 days. When it comes to Cost Analyzer, the look-back period to determine the rightsizing status of the resources is increased up to 90 days. Next, within the BAM module, we have introduced user access policies based on track properties. You can define access restrictions based on the properties in the track transactions, so that the respective transaction instances with the configured properties can only be accessed by the users. These policies can be configured within specific permissions. After selecting the required access for the business processes, global properties can be configured for further restriction. Lastly, in the Azure Documenter, we have introduced document groups. This grouping brings parity to the other modules by allowing users to define a hierarchy to map their business dimension with proper user access. You can create new groups and perform various operations within each group, like defining scopes, granting user access, and tracking user activities. Upon creation, you can create document configurations, generate documents, and create diagrams. And this enhancement facilitates organized and efficient management of documentation within the Azure Documenter. So that's it for now. See you all with another set of exciting updates next month. Until then, it's Shrutvika Rajendran signing off for now. Thank you.